Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the sister. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe because you don't want to miss another episode of the sister in the beauty shop. So today I have a review for you guys today. And I purchased some hair for a wig. I have a hair review, ladies, and I just recently purchased some hair for a new wig that I'm making, guys, and I was solely disappointed, guys, and I was so very excited about this wig, guys, excited to get the hair, and I was really disappointed. And so anyway, guys, I purchased the hair from Wholesale Wig Factory out of China. And guys, I have been looking to get this hair. It's called piano hair, guys, and what that means is it's just like a piano. The hair alternates colors, like you know how the piano is black, white, black, white. Well, the hair is the same way. It's just different colors. So in the case of the hair I wanted, it's brown and blonde, brown and blonde. Excuse me. Brown and blonde. So guys, I have been looking for this hair and I hadn't been able to find it anywhere, and I had been seeing this particular hair company on Instagram, and they were advertising real heavily. They were basically hitting up everybody on Instagram, commenting, liking everybody's photos. So I decided to try them out. I hit them up, asked them if they sold that particular kind of hair, and they said yes, that they sold it. They didn't have it in stock, but that they could make it. So I ordered the hair, guys, and you know, I kept in contact with the people the whole time. It took about a week and a half for me to get the hair. It took them about a week to make the hair, and like I said, I was in contact with them the whole time. And so the hair came, guys. It came in really nondescript packaging, clear packaging. You know the kind, guys. Clear packaging, no fancy box, no complimentary eyelashes, hair ties, none of that, guys. It came by DHL Express, guys. This particular hair company is out of China. Like I said, the name of it is Wholesale Hair Suppliers, Wholesale Hair Factory out of China. And so, guys, like I said, it is piano hair that I have been trying to locate for a while and had been unsuccessful finding it in bundles. I had found a couple wigs made out of the piano hair on Amazon, but I wasn't looking for a wig. I was looking for bundles because, of course, as you guys know, I make my own wigs. So you know, like I said, I finally found it, and even though this was a new hair company, I said, okay, so I'm going to try them out. And so in keeping in contact with, you know, the supplier the whole time, and because they were a new supplier, for me, they were a new supplier that I had never dealt with, and because they were making the hair, personally making the hair for me, I wanted to see the hair before they shipped it out to me. You know, I wanted them to send me a picture of the hair. So, guys, when they sent me a picture of the hair, guys, I immediately noticed that it looked like one of the bundles was a little lighter than the other. And I pointed that out, and they immediately told me, no, that's not the case. It's just the lighting. And so I was like, okay. I agreed and was told them to go ahead and ship it. So, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys the hair. So, let's start with the frontal. So, guys, of course, I've had this hair, guys, for about a week, and I have done a couple little things with it because I've been wanting to make the wig, but I wanted to do the review first. And so, guys, it's just been a mess. I did do the review, and then I had the whole fiasco with my phone, lost the review on my phone, and so I'm having to do it again because I need to go ahead and make the wig. So So guys, this is the piano hair, guys. And as you can see, it's the mixture of the brown. It's like a light brown and blonde. And the one positive thing that I have to say about this is that I absolutely love the color. Now that is the one thing I could say, is that the color is on point. Now that I can say. Now, do you see this, guys? Do you see how straight this is? Now guys, this, I ordered this hair, and this is supposed to be a tight loose wave. Now, I've already bleached the knots on this frontal because I had to go ahead and proceed to get it ready. So I've already bleached the knots. I haven't plucked it yet. I'm gonna wait till the wig's made to pluck it. Actually, because I was in a hurry the day that I bleached the knots, and I didn't have time to pluck it that day. So I'm going to bleach the knots once I get the wig made. So it's not a big deal. So this was in the wave pattern that, you know, your bundles come in. But once I bleached the knots and washed it, it went straight like I knew that it would. And here is the end results after air drying. So I knew it barely has a wave in it, and I knew this was gonna happen. This, before water touched it, it had a curl pattern in it that looked like it had just been curled with a curling iron. Very, very disappointing, guys. Very disappointing. So this is the frontal, and this is a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal. And like I said, if nothing else, guys, the dishonesty is enough for me not to spend my money with them again. The fact that this hair is not holding, does not hold its curl pattern is enough for me not to spend my money with them again. So there we have, that's the frontal. And I ordered 3 bundles, guys. I ordered a 22, a 20, and an 18. So here are my bundles, guys. This is the 22. This is the only bundle that I washed. This is the first bundle that I washed. I always wash one bundle just to see what the hair is going to do, what it's going to be like. And as you can see, the hair went back to, I mean, barely has a wave in it. Now this had a nice wave in it before I washed it, and now it is basically has like the loosest wave ever. And this is the 22, guys. This is the 20. Now this is what the wave pattern looked like. This one has not been, all has been done to this is taken out of the package, except for this one, guys. I have pulled on this. This has been pulled on a lot and everything, so this wave pattern has loosened up a lot because I pulled on it. But we know that once water hits it, it's gonna straighten out anyway, because bam, look at this one. So this is the 20, and now this is the 18, guys. And now I haven't really pulled on this at all, so you see the pattern in this. Now look at the color of the 18 and tell me that that is not a whole shade lighter, which is what I bought out when they sent me the picture. This is what they look like, and this is what I seen in the picture, and this is what I pointed out, that one of the bundles look lighter than the other. So guys, even though I am a professional, I'm a cosmetologist, and I can very well blend this in and camouflage this in a wig, blend it strategically, and make it look like it's supposed to be in there. But don't lie to me. Don't lie to me and just take my money and give me what you want me to have. Nah, I ain't going for it. And not only that, guys, before I even purchased the hair, I asked them about their refund policy, and basically what they told me was that they don't give a full cash refund. Basically what she said, to sum it up, was that they don't give a full cash refund, but they do an exchange within 7 days. So once I received the hair and I contacted the company again to let them know that I was unhappy with my purchase, the first thing that they said was no refund. And guys, I could literally see, in my mind's eye, I could see them saying, no refund, no refund, we no refund. So guys, just a little lesson, guys, to be very careful, guys, when you're buying your hair. I spend good money on hair, guys, so like, I'm not happy about this situation at all. But needless to say that because there's no refund, I'm gonna have to move forward with the wig, and it's fine. So I'm going to make the wig hopefully tonight, guys, and of course you will be the first to see the wig, guys, right here in the beauty shop with the sister. Until the next time, guys, deuces. I love you guys.